breed is hacking a lot. That's why Ayushman and Mama both are scared. So we returned from St. Mary's Island. One suggestion is if you are planning to go there, right, try to go early, try to reach there by 9 o'clock and so that you will not get much crowd. Try to catch the first ferry. Okay, and now we are going to Hanging Bridge and the road is simply awesome. Check this out. See, driving through coconut trees, a typical Udupi village. We came to this place, Hanging Bridge. This is a kind of less explored place. I didn't see any review even in Google Map, but the place looks very nice and it's a typical Udupi village full of coconut trees all around. And see, this is the Hanging Bridge. Are you able to see? I'm not sure, but anyway, let's go there. Wow. See, this is why we choose to come here, because of this scenic beauty actually. See, and it's a peace and calm area actually. Very beautiful. See, the breed is hacking a lot. That's why Ayushman and Mama both are scared. Generally, Ayushman generally can do all these things, but this time he is scared. No, huh? No. Okay, then come na. Why you are coming slowly? If you are not scared. See, coconut trees, full of coconut trees actually. Okay, and with this backwater view, it looks amazing. Very peaceful area. And what we will do now, we will have a drone view. Okay, you guys watch that. We'll meet you in some time. Okay. Hope you like the aerial view. So you can visit here from Malpe Sea Walk. It's 10 to 12 kilometer. So it will not take much time. Okay, and hardly any people know about it. So definitely you should visit here if you love nature. Now let's go back. We'll see where we can go. The plan is to go to Kodi Beach. So we'll meet you there directly. Okay. At a dead end. We thought there is no beach, maybe Google Map misguided us, but looks like you just need to climb the rock and need to go there, that side. It's a beautiful beach. Okay, So let's go that side and I will show you. The drive was awesome, and definitely this place is not at all crowded because hardly any people around. Yeah, you need to climb a bit, Aishman. Yeah, see, nobody is around, only we are here. Yeah, there is a big ship. Yeah, yeah, you need to go down. See, there are birds, small birds there. Yeah. Yes, Ashman? Huh? Big ship, huh? Oh, yes, those are container ships, Ashman. So generally the goods goes, right? You have seen goods train? So these are goods ship. Yeah, water is not deep, that's why Ashman is happy. So neat and clean water, full transparent. Looks amazing. So let me show you an aerial clip of this place so that you guys will understand where we are and the beauty of this entire place. Okay, we'll meet you sometime. Enjoy the drone shot. We are back to the resort. We spent almost 30 minutes there in Bangare beach. So now we are thinking, since we are close to the Kapu beach, we are staying at Lighthouse Beach Resort. So thought of visiting there. It's just a 2 minutes walk. Duck is there, yeah. See, Ajman, go Ajman.
No, they'll beat.
No, see. Hey. Hi. Hi. So today nobody is there. Aishman, tomorrow we'll go, Aishman.
No.
Tomorrow we'll go.
No, I want to go.
In the evening we'll go to the beach, Kapu beach.
In the evening. Now we will go in the swimming pool.
Since we came here, we didn't get time at all to enjoy this facilities of this resort. And Aishman keep me asking when we can go to the pool. So I think this is the right time. Evening we will spend some time in the pool. After that we will go to the beach. Beach is just a walking distance from here. So let's get into. Mare, go to Mare.
Hello.
Aishman learned how to swim.
Iceman don't know how to swim. Okay, so now we'll get ready and we'll go to Kapu Beach. It's evening. Again, we will spend some time during sunset. And tomorrow early morning we need to start. Need to go back to Bangalore. It's just a 2 minutes walk from the resort. Yeah, 2 minutes, right? It took only 2 minutes. And now it's 5:15. So sunset will happen, I think, 6 o'clock, right? 6:30. So we need to wait. Anyway, we'll just sit and relax here for an hour. Entire day roaming around. So time to relax now. Aishman, you can jump, Aishman. That is not much. So are you able to see the lighthouse? So we will walk till there. Because anyway we have time and that area looks nice. So we'll walk. We reached here. Hardly took 10 minutes, 7-8 minutes. Here little bit crowd is there. I'm not sure if they are allowing to go till top lighthouse. But definitely people are going little up. They're right near rocks. So we'll go there because definitely from there, right, sunset view will be awesome. Let's go. Yeah, it's broken condition.
This is broken.
Yeah. But no problem. Still we can climb. That's okay, man. Let's go. See? Be careful. See this side? Thank God we visited here. It was just a walking distance from the resort, and since last 3 days, 2 days we didn't visit here. Nice place and a nice place to spend the evening. So I met one of my subscriber here at Lighthouse. I think this is Kapu Beach, right?
Right.
Yeah, Kapu Beach. So you can introduce your channel name.
Hi, myself Shanti Bhushan, and I am running a channel with the name Voyage and Lifestyle. So it is a pleasure meeting him here, and I identified him when I observed him, like someone is there with different kind of camera, and I observed him and I went to meet him. It is nice meeting and learning from him actually.
Yeah.
Thank you,
nice
sir.
And people can subscribe his channel. So
Yeah,
he's also making nice content. So
Thank you, sir. And my channel name is Voyage and Lifestyle.
okay, thanks.
Thank you so much, sir.
We had a wonderful day today. St. Mary's Island to Kapu Beach. Throughout the day we enjoyed. And not only today, we are here since last 3 days. We experienced beach camping, went for a kayaking, then visited multiple beaches, visited Krishna temple. So if any of the viewers not watched all the episode, play link I will give you in the I link here, so somewhere here it will be coming. So click that and watch. And next week maybe I will plan something else and I will upload. So if you guys are new anybody watching new, then you can just subscribe and press the bell icon. And I think that's all for this Udupi trip. That's all the episode I had. And please let me know how you liked it, any feedback in the comment section. I will try to respond. And see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.